I made custom taillights for my Miata. Let me show you. So these are the taillights. Basically what I did is I just took a pair of eBay taillights. I took off the front lens cap and then I put LEDs around it with a one-way mirror and then a back mirror in order to have an infinity effect. And then inner rings I can program all with an Arduino on the back. A custom PCB I designed. This is the brake mode, reverse, turn. It's just this animation. Rest of it's dark. And for the running lights, I did something original. So this is the first taillights that I'm aware of that have scrolling text. So right now it's just displaying my Instagram tag, but you can program this to do whatever you want. I can also draw anything I want on it using this program, LED Matrix Studio. You can also do animations, which are also designed using the exact same app. And you can just make it do absolutely anything you want. These taillights are available now for Miata NAs at miata.myshopify.com. In the future, I'm hoping to add like a mobile app so you can do all this from your phone instead of having to hook it up to a computer. But there's just a ton of customizability and I want to add more features for more cars.